What's up guys, this is Jensy V. Welcome to my channel and today we're gonna do Easter makeup, and of course these sponges look like they're Easter eggs. I'm gonna be using these sponges to do my makeup today. So we're gonna use the brushes first to see what it looks like at first. And of course the attempt on using these sponges on my eyes is gonna be a little tricky, but we'll do it. We'll see how fun it will be. Before we start, I want to explain to you guys why Easter is so important to me. It's being creative, it's being blessed, grateful, and of course knowing what Easter is actually all about. It's about Jesus Christ. If you Google what Easter is actually about, Easter, also called Pascha or Resurrection Sunday, is a Christian festival and holiday commemorating the resurrection of Jesus from the dead, described in the New Testament as having occurred on the third day after his burial, following his crucifixion. And of course, sometimes I have to remind myself to be grateful every day for what I have today. So without further ado, we're gonna start our makeup now. So we are going to do this makeup using brushes. And the second part of this video, towards the end, I'm going to be attempting to do my makeup with sponges. Today it's going to be a little tricky. So whatever you want to be today, be creative, be colorful, and just use your imagination. Before anything else, of course, I want to always prime my face with a primer, and I always use the Neutrogena primer. If you guys have anything you want to recommend to me to use, always just leave them down below and I will try them. My dog Lily is like staring at me while I'm doing my makeup. Kind of creepy. So with an orange blending sponge, I'm gonna use this to put on my foundation. The next step is I'm gonna use my concealer. This is a Fit Me number 25, the medium molten. Is that how you say it? But it's getting old now. I need to get more of these because I really love these. But of course, if you guys have any recommendation that is best for me to try, you should put it down below. And I like to put it in triangle. Both sides. Down my nose, the middle of my nose. The side. I look crazy. So with the same blending sponge, I'm gonna use this to blend it off. So make sure that you're actually dabbing it. So I'm gonna grab a dry sponge and I'm gonna bake my face, my under eye. Alright, so I got my eyeshadow done. So now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Now let's contour. With my highlight and contour palette, let's do this. My little brush like this. Okay, let's start from the top of your nose and down. Make sure you blend, guys, so you don't have any harsh lines. So with my little sponge, I'm gonna use this highlighter right here and then dab that away. Dab it on my nose, on the side of my cheeks. Now back to my moist sponge on the other side where it's clean. I'm gonna dab that and blend my cheeks, blend my highlights, so it can blend in my skin naturally. There you go. Now with the Maybelline Super Stay ink crayon, I'm going to contour my lips. Now with a Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour color, so I'm gonna use the lip gloss side. Now let's contour our cheeks. Put mascara. So guys, that is our finished look. Okay, now I'm going to remove my makeup from the first part. I never done my eyeshadow with this sponge before, so it's gonna be my first time. So judge me all you want. So with the sponge, I'm getting the yellow first. Oh gosh, it's a little messy. Okay, we got the yellow. Okay, I'm gonna rotate and use the red one. Dab that on the end. Gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. God, guys, this is really hard to do because this is such a big sponge. I should have gotten a lot smaller. But look what happened. So we're gonna attempt to take that off and try to blend it with our finger. Oh my gosh. Okay, that didn't work out. Okay, let me put more yellow in the center and make that orange. Oh my gosh. This is not working. It looks okay. I don't know what's going on. Okay, there's a will, there's a way. Can do this. Okay, so on the other side of this sponge, I'm gonna use that to get green and put it on the end, just a tad. Oh gosh, you can't even tell. Okay, I'm gonna put it at the top. I'm gonna blend that out like that. And then in the tip of this sponge, I'm going to use sky blue. And I'm gonna dab that on the end of my eyelid. Just like that. Ooh, that actually looks really pretty. Don't worry you guys, we are going to blend them out. We're just gonna put them on each side. I'm so messy. Okay, it's a mess, but we are going to mix. We're gonna blend them out with our finger, just like that. Oh gosh. And from afar, it doesn't look too bad. Make sure you clean the sides. Guys, this attempt has been a failure real fast. Guys, you actually look really good right now. Really good right now. We're just being very random with colors. So let's do the shimmery purple or pink. And I'm gonna dab that right in the center. So I have that little glow right there. And then blend that up to the middle. Now using the tip of this sponge, I'm going to use the orange and put it right underneath my eyelid. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna grab some more on the tip of the sponge, and then I'm gonna make a line up, a wing line. Guys, this is so hard to do, but I'm just winging it. Well, it still looks good, so we're going to do our liner now. So this is a little too big for my Asian eyes, so that's why it's not working. But you know what? We did it. We did it, girl. Okay guys, so I just put my lashes on, and this is the finished look, the attempted finished look. So I mean, it turned out okay, good, but I definitely had fun doing this, and I hope you guys did yours too. Just be creative and do whatever color that you think it's the best for your outfit of the day, and of course just be creative. Like I said, just mix all the colors you want. So of course, don't forget what Easter is actually all about, and it's about Jesus coming back after he just sacrificed himself for our sins. I hope you guys actually love watching this video. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing this. I enjoyed using the brush on my first one, and of course doing the sponges for my second one. I hope you guys really like that. And of course, if you guys recommend anything for me to do or any makeup that you want me to try, just post them down below, and of course I'll try to do them. I'll try to get them for you, and I'm gonna try to see if I can review them for you. So if you guys actually enjoyed this video, just make sure to press that like button down below, and of course, and if you wanna get updated on my next videos, just press the notification bell button down below, and of course support your girl by subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you guys on my next one.